Hey folks, welcome. Today we'll be cooking these pork ribs. Let me show you how I got them done. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start the fire with one of these fire cups. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get yours. Real simple. Just light it, and it'll last a good 10 minutes or so. I think I'll set a time lapse and watch it catch fire. At this point, the fire has been going for about 10 minutes. I add a couple of chunks of mesquite to get the smoke going for the ribs, which are coming up right now. This is a rack of St. Louis style ribs. I usually buy spare ribs and cut them down myself, but there weren't any available when I went to go to the store. The backside's pretty clean. Membran's a little cut up, messed up. So I might just score it and leave it be, but I'll probably take off this little bit of skirt. Take off a little bit of these little fatty bits that are just hanging on. They're just gonna burn away anyways. So cut off anything that's hanging, like here. Let me turn this around. Whoops. Right here. Not a whole lot. Then this, I'm just gonna score just like this and not worry about taking it off. Pretty much all this is I'm gonna keep. I'm probably trim off a little bit of this right here. I am going to rub it with a little handmade rub that I made. This is cracked black pepper, kosher salt, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and a little Lawry's seasoned salt. Coat it very well. Give this pork some flavor. All right, I'm gonna pat this down and then do the other side. Try to grab some of the stuff that's loose and put it on the edges here, just like that. All right, a little bit more. All right, we're ready to put these on the smoker. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, we'll check on these in about an hour or so. Between now and then, I'll be maintaining the fire, and hopefully we get a good smoke out of it. Be back in a bit. We are currently 2 hours in. We are getting a little bit of color, a little bit of pullback on the bone, tiny little bit. You can see the little tips charring up. We'll check them in an hour, see how they're doing. At the 3 hour mark, I like the color, and I was trying to show you the temp of the ribs, but that was such a weird angle that all I got was a glare. But they were tempted at between 175 and 185. So I went ahead and wrapped them at this point. I will put them back on the smoker for about another hour or so to finish them off. Here's where I messed up a little bit. I forgot to sauce them before I wrapped them. I guess I was a little bit nervous, as this was the first time I actually recorded myself cooking anything. I usually just cook and go. You'll see me here fumbling, trying to figure out how to wrap these ribs the best way. So I'll just here move stuff around, redoing and wrapping them. But I totally forgot to sauce them, so you'll see that here in a bit. I use this Carolina barbecue sauce sold by HEB. It's very tangy, sweet, a little spicy. Overall, very, very good. Final product. There's a little bit too much cartilage on some of these. They weren't cut very well, but they're very tender, nice and meaty. Let's give them a try. Sauce is sweet, tangy, a little spicy. I will be redoing ribs pretty soon, but this time I'll use a full spare rib and trim them down myself to how I like them. Thank you very much. And also, get your fire cups here at this website.